So today's lesson, we're looking at the exterior angles of a polygon. You did interior angles last lesson, now we're looking at exterior angles of polygons. First, we're going to do our times table starter. So while you're working on those, pause the tape. Welcome back. Let's have a look at the answers. Just marking your own. Okay, so if we just look at this animation, we're going to look at these exterior angles here, and they always fit around a point. So the fact that they always fit around a point tells us that they add up to 360 degrees. So let's write that down. Exterior angles of any polygon add up to 360. And just to be sure we're happy, this here is the exterior angle and this here is the interior angle. Let's get that copied down. Obviously I can't use a ruler on this, so you can make yours a little tidier than me. So side heading examples now. So our first type are when we've got regular shapes. So that means all the sides are the same length and all the interior and exterior angles are the same size. So if we had a regular pentagon, that's not great, is it? Regular pentagon, that means we've got 5 sides. So that means we've got 5 exterior angles, and we would simply say, well, 5 goes into 360. How many times? Well, it doesn't go into 3, it goes into 36 7 times with 1 remainder. Then 5 goes into 10 2 times, so we've got 72 degrees is our exterior angle of a pentagon. So a nonagon, might not know that one, that's got 9 sides. So we would say 9 goes into our total of 360. How many times? Well, if we know our times tables, we'd know that 9 fours are 36, so it goes into 36 4 times. So our exterior angles in our regular nonagon are 40 degrees. So here we go. When we get irregular shapes, okay, so it doesn't matter now how many sides or angles we've got, we just know that all of them must add up to 360. So just like we do when we try to find missing angles in triangles, we add up the ones that we know. So this is a non-calculator, so it's column addition. So you've got 65, 73, 59, 22. I'm going to add those up. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus that 2 there is 10, and 9 is 19. So we've got 1 plus 6 is 7, and another 7 is 14. Plus that 5 there is 19. Plus that 2, we've got 21. So we know the total must be 360. So we're going to take this 219 away from 360. So make it clear, A is 141 degrees. So our next example now, same deal, we're just going to add up the ones that we know. So I'm going to say I've got 45, 88, 25, 43, 38. Right, so it's a bit of a long one this. So we've got 5 and 8 is 13, plus 5 is, no, I'll start again, sorry. 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 5 is 18, and that 3 then is 21, and that 8 is 29. So 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 8 is 14, 16, 20, 23. So same deal, we're going to say 360, take away 239. So let's just do this. So we can see now that B is equal to 121 degrees. Okay, so side heading, main task. So work on those and find the missing angles. The next slide is going to be the challenge question if you want to have a go at the challenge question. Here's the challenge question. Read it carefully and have a think about what it's saying. Okay, welcome back. So here's the answers to the main task. So just mark your own. So let's have a look at the challenge question. Okay, so if we know that the interior angle is 160, then our exterior angle here must be 20 because these are angles on a straight line. Then we would think, well, all of the exterior angles must add up to 360. So how many times does 20 go into 360? And if we remember back to previous lessons, we can say, well, I can get rid of those zeros. So I'm just saying what was 36 divided by 2, which is 18. So the polygon has got 18 sides. So well done if you got that. Let's just look at our checking question now. Okay, this is very similar to the challenge question actually. So the number of sides of the polygon. So we're going to do it in the same way. So if we've got an angle there of 175, this angle here, not very well drawn, must be 5 degrees. So we'd be saying, well, how many times does 5 go into 360? Well, I know it goes 7 times into 36 with 1 remaining, and 5 goes into 10 2 times. So this would be a 72 sided polygon. Okay, so thank you very much. I will speak to you again.